Hello YouTube, Chashtek's back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about a video export stuck on Microsoft Photos app on Windows computer. So when you try to export a video or photos, your Microsoft photo may stuck or stop responding. So to solve this problem, we are going to see two solutions. So let's start from solution number one. And all the solutions will work for all Windows operating system, Windows 10, Windows 11, and the other operating systems. So solution number one would be click here the search icon, here Microsoft Photos, here the Microsoft Photos. So right click on it and select here app settings. Then after here the Microsoft photo, and scroll down and click first repair. Select repair, which will help you to repair all the problems related with the Microsoft photo. So wait until it will finish the repairing process. So here the repair process completed, and check whether your Microsoft photo video export problem is solved or not, or the stacking problem. If the stacking problem still continues, click on reset and click here reset, and it will reset, and also the app data will be deleted when you click here reset. So wait until it will reset, and after the reset process completed, then here the reset process completed, then close your settings section and open your Microsoft Photos and check whether the stacking problem is solved or not. If the stacking problem still continues, then the second solution will be uninstalling and reinstalling back. In order to do that, here on your Windows icon, right click on it and select here Windows Terminal, which is the admin one. So open this and confirm here by selecting yes. Then after that, here I have the command which will help me to remove the Microsoft Windows photo, remove app package. So copy this command. I'll put the link of this command on the description box. Then paste it here, Ctrl V, then press enter. So it will uninstall the Microsoft Photos from your computer. So here the process completed, then type here exit and press enter. Then the Microsoft Photos is uninstalled. Then after that, click here the search icon and type here Microsoft Store. Here the Microsoft Store, then open it. Then after the Microsoft Store here open, then click here under the search box and type here Microsoft Photos. So here the Microsoft Photos. So click here get, and it will start downloading. Then after it downloaded, install your Microsoft Photos and check your video exporting process. And I hope these two solutions will help you to solve this problem. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.